for Mechanics Monday. Welcome to my new segment, Mechanic Monday. Every Monday I'll be giving back to you guys by hosting a giveaway where you can enter and win a free tool signed by me. And this week's free giveaway tool is this cool jump start pack. It's really amazing what they've done with these small little battery packs. This one has a peak current of 800 amps, and you never have to worry about whether it's run out of power or not. Because as you can see, when you turn it on, it shows you how much power is left. And when it does need recharging, you can either plug it into your cigarette lighter and charge it that way, or bring it into your house. It comes with a little adapter that plugs into the 112 volts and turns it into the charging 12 volts here. Great for jump starting a dead battery, and you can put positive to positive, negative to negative, because you don't have to worry about spark, because there's no power going to these cables until you turn the switch on the battery pack. So you're not going to get a spark that can cause a flame. And you might think, what's this tiny little battery going to do? Hey, it has 400 amps of starting power. These things are well designed with these lithium-ion batteries, so even a small battery like this can start a car. It also has this cool, really bright light that you can use at night. And I mean bright. And it has adapters on the cord. You can even run your smartphone and computers off these things. It'll run them for a really long time. So if your kids are in the backseat whining they can't play their games, this will run them for quite some time. Just remember, plug it into the cigarette lighter, or if you're on a trip, in the motel room to recharge it at night in case you ever need to use it to start the car with. And the whole thing fits neatly into this hard-shelled case. So you can put it anywhere and don't have to worry about, oh, where are the cables, where are the adapters? They're all in this nice hard case that you can put in the trunk or wherever you want. And since we all know there's nothing worse than not having all the parts you need, great that it comes with that case. And remember, to have a chance to win these tools, just post a nice, clean, non-offensive comment in the YouTube comments below, and the winner will be picked randomly by a computer. And since entropy is the end state of all matter, that's a fair way to pick a winner. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck in the contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.